Hey guys, I know many of you are still wrapping up your final assignment for week 3, but I wanted to just briefly talk with you about week 4. It's important to understand that week 4 is often one of the most difficult weeks in this entire program because you're tired, you've been pushing for months, and you're just trying to get to the end of this last class. Your other project course is wrapping up. You have a lot going on. So one thing I suggest is to plan a nice, rewarding activity for next week when you're done with everything. So you might go out to a nice meal with your family, or you might go for a jog in a great location. Any reward that you can build for yourself just to congratulate yourself on your achievement and can help keep your motivation up during this week, as you know you have something to look forward to. And I would love to hear what you guys are doing, so please feel free to include that in your main post. I know my brother's going to be visiting from out of town, well, one of my brothers, so we're going to spend a day on the lake, so that's going to be my reward for finishing out this term. So just keep that in mind. Know this is a tough class. You're almost there. You have what it takes. Just hang in there. So if you have questions, let me know. But in the meantime, I need you to dig deep, rise up, and let's roll. Week 4. Here we go.